Hi everyone, my name is Yuan.
Hello everybody, my name is George.
We are from Horizon English Center. Today we are going to talk about
Tet holiday. So, I am a foreigner and I don't know much about Tet. Can you tell me something about it?
Of course, the Lunar New Year is the most important holiday for Vietnamese people. It is a chance for family reunions as well as the moment to say goodbye to the previous year and welcome the new one.
Fine, so when do you celebrate it?
Vietnamese New Year, also known as Lunar New Year, Tet often occurs in late January or early February. The Lunar New Year means a lot to Vietnamese people. However, about the origin of Tet, not everybody knows. So today, let's learn about Tet Vietnamese with Horizon.
Alright.
Okay, so Uyên and teacher George explained some of the basics of Tết in Vietnam. Now, let's learn more about Tết with Horizon English. Tết holiday often lasts for 7 to 9 days. Before Tết, all family members clean and clear all the house. They also decorate the house with petalal statues and peach or apricot blossoms. During Tết, some families enjoy this festival by preparing traditional food such as bánh chưng, bánh tét, lạp xưởng, giò lụa, and so on. Especially for children, they look forward to Tết holiday because they can receive lucky money from adults. For all Vietnamese, Tết is an occasion for them to reunite after 12 months working hard outside. That is a time to have family gatherings and welcome the new year with many blessings.
As I know, you and the teacher from Horizon took part in Ten Fu Spring Fair last week. Is that right?
Yes, we did. It was so lovely. It was a fascinating experience. I can show you the video now.
Một, hai, ba.